Safe ba kumain ng egg everyday kapag naka-isotretinoin? So one of the things that we watch out for guys pag nagtitake ng isotretinoin is yung ating cholesterol because some individuals, lalo na yung may mga familial hypercholesterolemia, nagkakaroon po sila ng elevation or pagtaas sa kanilang mga cholesterol. So baka nagwo-worry yung nagtatanong guys, baka tumaas yung cholesterol niya pag kumakain siya ng egg everyday habang nagtitake ng isotretinoin. So yung egg guys, actually meron siyang dietary cholesterol about 186 milligrams and most of it is contained in the yolk or sa yellow part ng egg. However, for most people guys, dietary cholesterol has little impact on their blood cholesterol levels. And sa pagsasaliksik guys, ipinapakita na yung mga trans fat and saturated fat sa ating diet, ito yung may mas impact sa ating level ng bad cholesterol kumpara sa dietary cholesterol na nakukuha natin sa ating diet kagaya ng egg. So in my opinion guys, no, for majority of healthy individuals, I don't think consuming 1 to 2 eggs per day can impact your blood cholesterol significantly or even contribute to the risk of heart disease. And according sa pagsasaliksik guys, no, for healthy individuals, studies show na ang pag-consume ng moderate amount of egg like 7 eggs per week does not increase your risk for cardiovascular disease. Pero guys, if meron na tayong certain conditions kagaya ng diabetes or mataas ang cholesterol po natin, or may mga family members tayo guys na may diabetes and matataas po yung cholesterol. Sa mga conditions na ito, eggs should be consumed more cautiously. Consuming eggs regularly on a daily basis might have a more significant impact sa ating blood cholesterol and risk for cardiovascular disease compared to individuals who do not have these conditions. So if may mga conditions po tayo na ganito and taking isotretinoin at the same time, maybe it's safe to limit your egg yolk consumption to 3 times a week. Or better yet, consult your dietitian. And guys, remember, pag nagtitake tayo ng isotretinoin, kailangan po ng regular lab monitoring. So if meron naman po kayong dermatologist and medical team, like what we do in DMD, na nagmo-monitor sa inyo strictly, then you should be fine. So make sure na on time parate ang inyong laboratories pag nagtitake ng isotretinoin para ma-ensure ang inyong safe and smooth transition to clear skin. Alright guys, for more acne tips, follow me and Basta Acne DMD. Bye!